Good evening, class. My name is JZimmermann, and our lesson plan this evening is going to be in science. And the subject we are covering tonight is going to be hurricanes. The student tonight is going to be my daughter, Madison Zimmerman. Madison is a very smart young lady, scored very high on her TAS test, and I thought this would be a good opportunity for her to take and participate in this lesson plan. Let me introduce you to. All right. Say hello, Madison.
Hi.
All right. Now, the lesson plan we're going over this evening is going to be hurricanes. Okay? It was a subject that you thought would be a good thing that we would go over, even though we live in Texas and we're not very close to hurricanes. All right. Now, what we're going to be doing is we're going to watch a video on a hurricane that happened back in 1991.
Isn't that Hurricane Andrew?
Yes, very good. Hurricane Andrew. And what could have been done differently, what might have been done differently, some of the warning systems and things that could have been done on the hurricane, and also the damage that it caused on that.
That's going to be bad.
Yeah, it's going to be pretty bad. So what we'll do is we'll watch the video of the hurricane, and then we'll also have the capability to trace hurricanes and give early signs of hurricanes and tropical storms. So what we're going to do is learn to look for the signs of hurricanes and bad storms. Okay? You have any questions?
No, except that how are we going to watch the video? Is it the cameras are going to be on?
Yes, we've already. It's going to be something that we're going to do at a later time.
Oh, okay.
Okay. So, do you have any questions as far as hurricanes are concerned?
No.
Okay. So, what we'll be able to do is to plot and track the hurricanes. Now, we're not going to be using any graphs or bar charts or anything like that, but basically what we're going to do is track the hurricanes basically from city to city as they come about. Okay. From the first time that you go out and there's a hurricane warning to the second time when there's a hurricane, not a hurricane warning, but a sighting. And from that point to the end of the hurricane, basically find out what is done as far as reaction times from the people on TV, and then what the other people do in the community as far as preparing for the hurricanes. And then what we're going to do after that is we're going to break up into groups, and what I'd like you guys to do is come up with questions after the video as far as, you know, questions regarding the video. What were some important factors in regards to the hurricane warnings? Yes?
As in factors, do you mean like sightings or not? I guess things part of the hurricane?
Yes, part of the hurricane. And then after that, what we'll do is, like I said, we'll break into groups. I'd like you guys to come up with about 3 or 4 questions in regards to the hurricanes, or types of hurricanes, or definitions of things of hurricanes, like what is the eye of a hurricane? How can you spot a hurricane?
I think isn't the eye the middle of the hurricane?
That is good. Yes, the eye is the middle of the hurricane. So what we'll do is we'll watch the video, we'll break up into groups, and we will come up with some questions. And basically what I want you guys to do is, if we're going to break up into 4 groups, and each group's going to have 3 questions, what we want to do is quiz each group to find out, 1, who paid attention to the video, and 2, who knows the most about the hurricanes.
I've already answered 2 questions so far, so and you haven't even asked the questions.
All right. So from this point on, do you have a good idea of what we're going to do in the lesson plan?
Yeah.
Okay, repeat it back to me.
Well, we're gonna watch videos
Okay.
about the hurricane, and then you're gonna split up to 4 groups
Mm-hmm.
and figure out questions.
Mm-hmm.
and then we're gonna figure out who paid attention and everything.
And how we're going to find that out.
Y'all are gonna ask us questions.
Okay, good.
Mhm.
All right. Thank you very much. And I'm going to turn this right back. I told you she was smart. Okay, so that's basically our lesson plan for this evening is the descriptions, the termination, the terms, things that can be done, early warning signs of hurricanes, and then the children will make up their own questions to quiz each other. If you have any questions, I think this lesson plan is good. I think the lesson plan will also help in the future if children move away to different states that might possibly have hurricanes. They'd be able to find out and have early warning signs. Things that they learn from this class could be life lessons, and they could be life-saving events. So if you have any questions, feel free to respond, and thank you very much. Bye-bye.